Why you're so stupid, Harvey? I scream as I feel anger towards Harvey. I can't believe he was trying to play me. And I feel so humiliated by that girl. She's right. I can't do makeup. I'm not pretty. So why would I assume Harvey is being serious with me? Bakit ako umasa? Bakit hindi ko pinigilan ang sarili ko na umasa? I hate Harvey. I hate him so much. But I hate myself too. Bakit parang lahat ng lalaki handa na akong magtiwala ay hindi naman pala totoo? Umiyak lang ako ng umiyak. Piling ko ilang beses pinukpok ng martilyo ang puso ko. Alam ko sa sarili kong hindi ko pa mahal si Harvey. Pero bakit ako nasasaktan? I admit that I like him. I thought he's being serious because he wants to know my mom. Ganon na ba kakapal ang mukha ng pakboy na yon? Pati magulang ay kikilalanin para lang makuha nila ang tiwala ng babae. I grew up telling myself that I don't need no man. But I was hurt again. Hindi pa nga napapatunayan ng lubos ni Harvey ang sarili niya. Pero bakit nasaktan ako agad? Bakit ang tanga-tanga ko? Why did I let someone hurt me again? I have so many questions in my mind, but I can't answer them. All I can say is I was hurt. I let myself be hurt by someone who has beautiful eyes, those eyes that manipulate me. Stop crying, Anya. Papasok ka pa bukas. Baka sabihin ng lalaking yung iniyakan mo siya ng todo. At saka, bakit ba sarili mo lang ang tinatanong at sinisisi mo? Hindi pa dapat si Harvey yon? Tahanaan niya. B said softly. I feel like she's really tried her best not to say things that will hurt me. Gago kasi yun eh. V, akala mo kung sinong gwapo. Anong akala niya sa akin? Makukuha niya lang basta-basta? At saka umiiyak pa ako kasi napahiya ako. Isa pa yung babaeng yon, height lang naman lamang sa akin nun eh. Pagsama sila, sigaw ko. Hindi ko na mapigilan ang sarili ko. Wala na akong pake sa mga salitang lumalabas sa bibig ko. This is the least that I can do. Scream, cry, blame myself and Harvey. Even if I'm doing this, it's still doing nothing to the pain that I'm feeling. Masakit. You know, Anya, I know you like Harvey. We've been together for 4 years. 4 years you've been trying to hide your emotions. And I can say Harvey succeeded at bringing it out. I know you're strong, but you will not cry if you don't have any feelings for him. Take it slow, Anya. It's just been a week. The fact that he hurt you within that short period, you know that he doesn't deserve you. V is right. It's too fast. And I'm too dumb for letting him hurt me. B, I'm so stupid. Why does it hurt? My tears began to fall continuously. You're stupid, but that's because you're too soft. Tumahan ka na, may pasok pa tayo bukas. You should sleep now. These words never failed to hit me. It's always true. She really knows me. I'm lucky to have her. We both said goodbye to each other. Even if B tried to make me calm and lessen the pain, it still hurt the same. Yes, I'm strong enough to handle pain, but it doesn't mean I deserve it. It sucks. It fucking sucks. Maybe both of us were wrong. He tried to play me and make me one of his toys. He fooled me, and I let him do that so easily. Kung nasaktan ako kahit wala kami, I wonder how much pain my mom felt. This is love. Love is pain. But how can I say it's love? I know I haven't fallen in love with Harvey yet, but it still hurts. Hindi ko masisi ang sarili ko kung bakit ako nagkaroon ng pagtingin sa kanya. Nasa kanya na ang pisikal na katangian na hinahanap-hanap ko. Ngunit alam kong hindi lang ako sa pisikal nagkagusto. Mayroon isa pang bagay na alam kong dahilan kung bakit hindi ko pinigilan ang sarili ko na umasa sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung paano, pero ayaw ko namang alamin pa. Wala na rin namang halaga iyon, nasaktan ako. It's my first time feeling this pain, but I'm not new to this. My own dad has already hurted me before. Buti na lang at magaling akong magtago ng emosyon. Because if you show too much emotion, if you show them that you really feel, people will take advantage of it. But that time when I am being humiliated by that girl, it's really painful. I know to myself I'm not like other girls, and that makes me different. But the moment she said was just one of Harvey's toys, I'm just the same with them. Bakit ko ba dinidibdib ang sinabi ng babaeng iyon? Madali lang akong masaktan. It's not too late to stop myself from liking Harvey. This is just a puppy love. I'm still young. Siguro ay naguguluhan lang ako. Tumayo na ako at pumunta sa banyo. Tumingin ako sa salamin, nakita ko ang namumukto kong mga mata. Agad ako nang hilamos at nahiga sa aking kama. Hanggang sa paghiga ko ay mangiyak-ngiyak ako. Masakit pa rin at ayaw ko nang lumiban sa klase. May mahalaga akong ginagampanan sa eskwelahan namin. Ayokong maapektuhan ang pag-aaral ko nang dahil lang kay Harvey. Lalo na't ilang buwan na lang ay katapusan na ng pasukan. Ilang buwan na lang ang kailangan kong tisin para mawala sa paningin ko si Harvey. Hindi rin naman siguro magiging mahirap iyon. Siguradong iiwasan na rin ako ni Harvey. Ang kapal naman ng mukha niya kung kukulitin niya pa rin ako pagkatapos ng nangyari. Baka nga magkasama pa silang umalis kahapon. Let's forget what happened today. Let's forget the pain, I said as I finished crying and fell asleep. But I don't think I would be able to forget it.